Hi, everyone! Welcome back to our 5-Minute English series. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're learning a super useful phrase, on the right track. It's a phrase you can use in so many situations, and after this video, you'll be able to use it like a native speaker. So, let's dive right in. Okay, let's start with the meaning. So, what does on the right track actually mean? This phrase is used when we want to say that someone is doing something correctly or moving in the right direction toward their goal. It's like saying you're on the correct path. Imagine you're walking somewhere, and you know you're going the right way. That's exactly what we mean. For example, if you're studying hard for a big exam, someone might say, "You're on the right track to success." It's a way of telling you that you're doing things well, and you should keep it up. Let's go over some examples to see how we can use this phrase in different situations. 1. After practicing for weeks, Sarah is finally on the right track with her piano skills. Here, we're saying that Sarah has been putting in the effort, and now she's improving and heading toward her goal. 2. Here's another one. If you continue working hard, you'll stay on the right track in your career. This one means that your hard work is leading you to success. Notice how this phrase can be used for personal goals, work, and even hobbies. Now, let's talk about how you can use on the right track in different contexts. It's not just for positive situations, you can also use it when things need to be corrected. For example, let's say you're working on a project, but things aren't going as planned. You could say, "We need to fix these mistakes to get back on the right track." This means you need to correct what went wrong to get back on course. Another example could be, "We got a little lost, but now we're back on the right track." This is useful when you've made a mistake but have found the right direction again. It's about recovery and getting back to where you need to be. Alright, now it's your turn. I want you to think about something in your life where you feel like you're on the right track. It could be something big, like your career, or something smaller, like a hobby you're working on. I'd love to hear from you. Share it in the comments below, and let me know what you're doing to stay on the right track. I'll make sure to read all your answers. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at some synonyms and antonyms to give you even more options. If you want to say the same thing, you can use headed in the right direction. This means the same as on the right track. Making progress. This is another way to say that things are going well and you're improving. Now, for the opposite, if someone is not doing well, you could say off track or headed in the wrong direction. These phrases mean that things are not going as planned. For example, we're off track and need to focus to get back on the right track. This shows you need to refocus and get things back to where they should be. Here's a little tip. If you ever feel unsure whether you're on the right track, it's always a good idea to check in with others for feedback. This could be your teachers, your boss, or even a friend. Getting outside perspective can help you stay confident that you're on the right track. Great job today! You've just learned how to use on the right track in a variety of situations. Now, practice using it in your daily conversations. I bet it will help you sound more fluent. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.